Hello everyone. Today, let's explore a day at the museum. Museums are fascinating places where we can learn about history, art, and science. My family and I recently visited our local museum, and it was a day filled with discovery. We started in the history section, where ancient artifacts and relics were on display. As we walked through the exhibits, we learned about the rich history of civilizations from around the world. Next, we ventured into the art gallery. Paintings, sculptures, and modern art pieces adorned the walls. I was captivated by the vibrant colors and creative expressions. My favorite was a painting that seemed to tell a story without words. In the science wing, interactive displays made learning fun. We conducted simple experiments and learned about space. The museum guide explained things in a way that made it easy for us to understand. Lunchtime came, and we enjoyed a picnic in the museum's outdoor garden. It was a peaceful oasis amidst the excitement of the exhibits. In the afternoon, we explored a special exhibit about nature photography. The stunning images left us in awe. We felt a connection with nature even in the heart of the city. As the day concluded, we visited the museum's gift shop. There, we found souvenirs, educational toys, and unique trinkets to remember our museum adventure. A day at the museum was not just educational, it was a journey through time, creativity, and the wonders of the world. Whether you're interested in history, art, or science, a museum is a fantastic place to feed your curiosity.